to this short webinar about price history via the PZN, the unique ID of German packages. Just by entering a PZN number and choosing the correct database, the Drug Pricing Germany database, you have access to all the price information. In this case, it is Humira 40 milligram. Here in the area of price information, you have the different price categories, such as ex-factory price. And by clicking on the price, you get the price history back to 2015. And the same you will get for the other price areas, so for the wholesale price or for the retail price of pharmacies. Just to remember, sure you know our price comparison is best in our transparency list, AVWG, and here you can see that exactly the generic group of these Humira products. The most expensive one starts from 5,336 euro, and the lowest price in this group is 2,418 euro. Thank you very much for your time, and bye.